Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to detect AirTag on Android. So without any delay, let's get started. So when any AirTags are around you and you have to detect it or locate it, you can go it through Android as well. You cannot attach the AirTag to your Android phones and locate it to the Android phones, but you can check whether any AirTags has been detecting you or not. So what you have to do is go to the Play Store, and here it is application tracker detect. So this is the official applications from Apple. So it's safe and you can use it for Android, and allow all the terms and conditions, and just simply tap on agree, and after that you have to tap on scan. Okay, so you have to allow all the permissions and then tap on scan and tap on next. You can allow every permissions. So this will start scanning, and if any ear tags are around you, then this app will detect the ear tags that are around you. Here I don't have any ear tags, so it has not been able to locate any ear tags. There is no any ear tags around me, so this hasn't been able to locate it. If there would be any ear tags, it will be locating the ear tags and giving you the information that any ear tag has been detecting you. So what you can do is you can also play the sounds of the ear tag after you detect an ear tag on this applications. And if you find any ear tag, you can just dislocate it by simply removing the battery from the ear tag, and the ear tag won't be able to detect you. So that's all. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.